Good morning, Miss Berg.
Good morning, Mrs. Fuzzy. How are you today?
I'm good. I'm good. It's Friday, October 30th. We're on the eve of Halloween.
The snow is almost gone, so we're hoping for a warm front coming through this weekend.
That sounds awesome. So we have a lot to get through. So we're going to start with the pledge. So please stand, and we're going to thank Mr. Peterson and his Group A students and Timber and you for leading us all in the pledge. So here we go.
Remember when it was sunny out? That's nice to see the kids out there.
I know, and they had shorts on. So we have a lot of birthdays because we haven't talked or met or been on the news since October 19th, which was a Monday.
So happy birthday, Ariana, Wesley, and Amanda, who had a birthday on October 19th.
On October 20th, Sydney had her birthday.
October 21st, Daniel, happy birthday.
October 22nd was Reese.
October 23rd, whoa, Brielle, Gabrielle, Ava, Kellen, and Reagan. I think Kellen and Gabriel are related. Do you?
I think so.
Okay.
And these two are related.
Whoa!
October 24th, Bale and Lewis.
October 25th, Kaylin and Brayden.
And Kaylin, we're going to get your photo and show it next week.
For sure.
October 29th, Prasath. And then today is
Jack H. Happy birthday. Halloween.
Halloween.
That's my mom's birthday.
2 birthdays.
Sayla and Paige, happy birthday. Have a fun time.
And then November 1st, we'll have Rhea and Mason. And I think that's it. So
Awesome.
happy birthday to all those amazing humans.
Lunch next week will be awesome. My favorite, French toast, chicken sausage links, smiley fries, fresh veggies and fruit, or whole grain bagel, cream cheese, yogurt cup, mozzarella string cheese, fresh veggies, and fruit.
And on Wednesday and Thursday, you get some yummy mac and cheese, broccoli, some more veggies or fruit, and that amazing triple berry Johnny Pop. Or you can get the deli turkey sandwich, the bag snack, the fresh veggies, fresh fruit choice, and you too can enjoy that Johnny Pop.
So what are we doing in Pac Pride this week, Mrs. Fuzzy?
We are focusing in on kindness, the letter K, where we show compassion and empathy. And I know there are a lot of kind humans in this building, so I'm excited to see that. We're also starting our Pac Pride Ticket Awards this week.
What?
I know, and we have to do everything different in 2020. So here's what we did. All these kids showed perseverance and were recognized by their teachers for pushing through challenges and showing control. So
let's just flash through.
Yeah, so Wesley and Deeksha, you both showed perseverance this week, and so did Crew, Kiana, and Luke. So that is awesome.
Accountability is being a great leader and or following the right person. And these are some kids that showed accountability this week. Malin and Quinn.
And there's a lot more.
Whoa! Sammy, Evelyn, Ava, and Jack. Will and Avery. Harper, Sophie, Landon, and Guna. Naomi, Evan, London, Alex, and Raina.
And I think that's it for accountability. So that is awesome too. Thanks so much, everybody. Community, be safe, inclusive, and respectful. Indira, we're going to get your photo too for next week. And then we can see Paige up there, Bella, and Reese. So awesome job on showing community.
And then finally, kindness, showing compassion and empathy, are Audrey and Maddie. Very nice.
So these people all got recognized from their Pac Pride.
Great.
We are recognizing them each week.
Yes.
So keep showing all of the Pac Pride, and we're excited to see all the people on our announcements and all the tickets coming in.
And I think, are we showing it on the TV in the cafeteria? Will we have pictures of our kids that we can show?
I think we can.
I think we should do that.
I think that'd be great.
Awesome.
So, happy Halloween.
Have a great week. Make good choices. Oh, and guess what happens this week? We get an extra hour of sleep this weekend.
We do.
Because we're falling back. So set your clocks back at 2 a.m, Mrs. Fuzzy, on Saturday night for that extra hour of sleep. You might need it.
I might. And I think it's a full moon.
Oh yeah, all the things are happening.
And I also think the book fair is happening virtually next week.
There's so much good things happening at Northwoods, even though, it's different.
Right. So let's check out the book fair. Let's be safe and have fun on Halloween. And we'll see you next week.
Bye.